In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan on Monzo. First, you'll need to make sure you already have a Monzo account set up on your mobile phone, since Monzo loans can only be accessed through their mobile banking app. Keep in mind, Monzo is only available to UK residents, so you must be a UK resident to use this service. Once your account is ready, open the Monzo app and head to the Home tab. At the top right corner, you may see a plus icon. Tap on it. If the plus icon doesn't appear, you'll find loan information at the bottom of your home screen instead. From there, scroll down to the borrowing section and tap on it. This is where you'll find everything related to Monzo loans. Monzo offers personal loans with clear terms and no hidden fees. If you tap on Explore All Loans, you'll be prompted to scan a QR code with your phone's camera to continue and see the available loan options. From there, you can follow the on-screen instructions, which are straightforward and self-explanatory. And that's it. That's how you can apply for and get a loan with Monzo. Thank you for watching this video.